Hello there. I'm Greg Sadler, and I'd like to tell you just a little bit about my philosophical counseling practice. It's a little over 10 years old. About a decade back, I was certified and trained by the American Philosophical Practitioners Association, and I have worked with over 100 clients in that time on a variety of issues where philosophical concepts, techniques, and practices can be helpful and productive in dealing with those things. And that ranges from emotional issues, I specialize in particular in anger management, to working with psychologists themselves in training and C-suite executives doing executive coaching. So if you're interested in what it is that I do, you can click the link below. It will take you to my website for philosophical counseling, and I hope that you check it out. And maybe if you've got something to work on, I might be the person to assist you with that in a dialogical, conversational, and well-informed manner.